Today, we're collaborating with a good mate. It's Deeds.
Hey, thank you for having us, DJ.
Justin and I are both from the same part of the U.S.,
the South.
What better way for two breweries to come together to make an IPA that's solely based around a fried chicken recipe? So today, we're here for Cooking with DJ and Justin. On today's episode of Cooking with Mountain Culture and Deeds, we're preparing our true collaboration, which is our Southern fried chicken recipe.
A mix of spices from the Carolinas and from West Virginia.
That's how you know it's gonna be good. We also have our batter, our beer. We prepared that earlier. We have our chicken here, which we prepared earlier, paired perfectly to match with our IPA that we've crafted earlier in the day.
So here we have DJ, and he's going to be examining the spices and adding them as needed in order to get the right profile after generations of making fried chicken in the Carolinas. And there we go. Next step is going to be a precision and a little bit different up here in the Blue Mountains, say. It's just amazing that the IPA we made earlier today is going right in the batter. Free range chicken from up in the way, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. Get it nice and, oh yeah. Put that over here. What DJ's done here, we got something really special.
Well, cheers, guys. We can't wait for you to prepare this at home and see how your Southern fried chicken pairs with your Southern fried IPA. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Do you think you have enough in there to make it look semi-professional?
Semi-professional? I think it's out of the question at this point.
Wait, I actually don't know how this works. This process of making...